Okay, here's a little demo of railroad Morse code. I hope you can see this in the camera. I'm going to start right here with the letter A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3. Well, here's 3 again. Not very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Now I'm gonna telegraph this little sentence here. Now is the time for all good persons to come to the aid of their country. I'm going to spell country again. Oh, Christ. Now I'm going to do it with the hand key. That was the Vibroplex there. Here's the alphabet on the hand key. A, B, C, D, E, F, and so forth. Okay, if anybody's interested in this stuff, let me know and I'll do a little bit better job putting some more stuff on. I made a few mistakes there. I quit telegraphing way back in 1956. My last job was for the Canadian Pacific Railroad in Kamloops, British Columbia. A beautiful city. All for now.